press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood talk show on IWM Buzz. This is your host and Shubhajit Ghosh, and today we have with us two actresses who are literally tigresses in their own right. When it comes to movie selections, when it comes to giving answers back, they're absolutely hitting the bullseye. And when it comes to bullseye, they're coming up with a film that is related to that name. It's called Sand Ki Aag. So welcome Taapsee and Bhumi to the show.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure having you both.
Thank you.
We're going to right now play a rapid fire game,
Okay.
and it's going to be regarding the film. So the first question is for you. The messiest person that you know.
Messiest.
Yeah.
Tushar. I second that. Yeah. It's damn messy.
The most useless talent that you feel you have.
Useless talent.
Yeah, that's-
बड़े सारे हैं मेरे में तो. I can talk a lot. That's
But
very
that's a good-
useless. No, sometimes it's very useless. I talk useless stuff also sometimes. मैं सारे आंसर मैं
No, these are for you, and then we have
Oh,
questions
okay.
for her.
That's इसका आंसर मेरा सबसे useless. Just see my useless talent answering for her also.
The dumbest way in which you have ever been injured.
Injured.
Like कभी लग जाता है ना, like we are walking and suddenly.
I fell inside a fountain in middle of a hotel. I'm not kidding. I was lying like that.
And that was once after you became an actress.
Yeah. Most embarrassing moment of my life. No shit.
The craziest punishment that you have ever received in school. Did you receive any?
Very few actually. I didn't receive one.
No, she was punishing
the
others.
goody-goody girl
She would punish all the other naughty kids because
Yeah.
Taapsee has gone to school even with chicken pox. ये story
That
मैं
is the
अपने
dedication and seriousness that she
ये
has.
होता है पढ़ाई से प्यार करना. She's gone to school with chicken pox and the school authorities actually told her
Yeah.
that you're going to spread, like this is a risk to
The other kids,
thousands
yeah.
of children.
Absolutely.
So please go back home.
But were you like a topper or something?
Not topper, but
Amazing in studies.
I used to be generally in the top 10 of the class.
Then
So humble.
punishment just doesn't relate with that.
No, but once or twice they made me stand outside the class.
Oh my God! How
That's
did
a
you
revelation
handle
in
it?
Because I was talking in the class.
Oh, you're most talent.
My useless talent.
And they used to write in those report cards that, you know, the remarks, in the remarks session, they used to write something like most talkative girl or something.
Yeah, she
like
talks a lot.
that. Describe yourself in 3 words.
I talk a lot. I'm very unpredictable. I can talk, and I think I'm a good sports person. That is probably a unique thing. Yeah.
Absolutely. So now we come to Bhumi. If you were invisible for one day, where would you like to sneak in?
Arey, I was just asked this question. With full visibility, I sneak in wherever I want because I really don't care.
Full visibility.
That's
Yeah.
the best answer. Your biggest addiction that you can't get rid of.
Coffee.
Okay. If not an actress, what would you have been?
Nothing. No, really, I don't think. I think I would definitely be. I would be doing some kind of a humanitarian job. Definitely.
Like working in some NGO or something?
I don't know. Working, yeah, it had to be something related to climate, or yeah, has to be something.
Okay, that's interesting. The meanest thing that you have ever said to anyone?
Has to be my younger sister because we tell each other mean things every 5 minutes, and then we like tell itne sweet things that it's unreal.
But what is the meanest thing that you have told her?
I remember when we were teenagers, she wore my favorite pair of denims, and I actually went to that place and I told her, Abhi utar. Abhi utar. Because she would constantly wear my clothes and disappear. But I'm not a mean person, yeah. My mean things are like very...
But she must have given you a surprise
Papu.
reaction like, what is Didi asking for
no.
actually?
Firstly, she doesn't call me
Didi,
Didi.
yeah.
Yeah, so let's just put that out there.
I tried to tell
She's
my
best
sister at
friend.
gunpoint that call me Didi. She
Me
still didn't
too.
call me Didi.
And then she's like, once we grew up,
Yeah.
she's like, now I call you Didi, I said, I'll kill you.
It's become the other way around then.
Actually true.
So now should I call you Didi?
Yeah, I was like, yeah, right.
That one food that you just cannot get rid of, even if, you know, like no matter how much
Anything
you
dessert, anything sweet. I can't.
like it. Amazing. Okay, the next few names that I take, you just let me know the first word that comes in your mind. Taapsee Pannu.
Talented.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Romance.
Okay. Kartik Aaryan.
Kartik Aaryan. Funny.
Varun Dhawan.
Coolie number 1.
Alia Bhatt.
Punk.
And lastly, Ananya Pandey.
Very sweet.
Sweet.
That's the first word I think on. I think she's sweet.
Yes, she is, definitely is. So it's a pleasure having you both over
Thank
here on
you.
the show.
Thank you so much.
And I
Thank
wish you
you.
both all the best for Sandkya this
Thank you,
Diwali.
thank you.
And I hope that it crosses all records and it does everything that is needed to
We
be
do
successful.
too.